Hello everyone, it's Jason from BenElevate here. We wanted to show you a quick demo of how easy it is to set up your free employer account so that you can begin offering your staff and recruits PSLF assessments online. So the first thing we're going to do is go to BenElevate.com and navigate over to the menu that allows us to register. And then you're going to click on Register My Organization. From here, you're just going to enter your first and last name, your organization's name, your employer's EIN number, so let's know that before you set up the account, approximate number of employees within your organization, and then your website domain. So in this case, I would just put benelevate.com if it was for me. My email address, set up a password, and then register, and you're good to go. After you register, you're going to get an email asking you to confirm that it's in fact you setting up the account. And once you do that, you're going to log back in to your BenElevate account and you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is shown here. If you want to get the information to send out to your staff or recruits about registering for a PSLF assessment, go to onboarding here where we have a pre-written message for you that you can copy, edit, and share at your discretion. The key thing is here to use this link, the domain registration link connected to your organization. So once you send this link out to employees or recruits, they'll be asked to register for their assessment. Let us know if you have any questions. There's a video here on what your actual employee or recruit goes through in terms of the process to register for an assessment. And again, let us know if you have any questions. And we do hope you'll take advantage of this new awesome resource. Thank you.